Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. As you can see, the project is 2 LED blinking, but in SMD, as you can see, we have 2 super small 506 size LED. I'm going to test the project. It is very easy by SMD. As you can see, here is my schematic. I'm in trip, really sorry for schematic is not to shape. The battery is 3 volts, 3.7 volt. These two batteries are parallel, not series, and the output is 3.7 volts. As you can see, I used 4 resistors, 2 caps, 2 transistors, and 2 LEDs. That's it. Here is the transistors, 2 LEDs, blue and yellow, 4 resistors, 2 of 47K and 2 of 890 ohms, and the transistors are regular NPN transistors. It can be made more compact and optimized because we have a short distance over here. I made this project urgently, and I'm sure that you can make it much better than me. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.